All right, I get this question asked a lot in the comments. What is data licensing and what's happening to my photos that are not searchable on Shutterstock? So data licensing is something that Shutterstock started playing around with in 2021, and by 2023, they really went heavy on it. What this means is that your photo was probably gonna get declined for whatever reason, so now they're gonna offer it to train AI. If any image is AI generated and they used any part of your photo, then you're gonna get compensated via the contributor fund. Every 3 months or so, they'll release this payment and you'll see it in your payout as contributor fund. Your photo was gonna get rejected. Now they're trying to give it life. Somehow that you can generate some more money. Now you can opt out of this data licensing thing. You do have to do this in a computer. So go to your account settings, go all the way to the bottom left. You'll see your account there. Now you can go to the sub-menu says account settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see that there's 3 things. You're selling your photos, selling your video, or data licensing. You can opt out by turning that thing off. Anyway, this was just a quick update because I get a lot of questions about this contributor fund and you don't have to be a part of it if you don't want to. Shutterstock is trying to give your images a second chance because those photos were gonna get rejected. But if you don't wanna be part of this, you can turn it off, no worries. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.